Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of newborn care. Whether you're a new parent or just curious about the essentials, you're in the right place. Establishing a sleep routine. Discover the importance of establishing a sleep routine from the beginning. We'll provide practical tips to help your baby sleep better and develop healthy sleep habits. Establishing healthy sleep habits for your newborn is essential for their overall well-being. While every baby is unique, there are practical tips that can help promote better sleep and create a positive sleep environment. Here are some suggestions. 1. Create a consistent bedtime routine. Establish a predictable routine before bedtime to signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. This may include activities such as a warm bath, gentle rocking, or reading a bedtime story. 2. Set a regular sleep schedule. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule by putting your baby to bed and waking them up at the same time each day. Consistency helps regulate their internal body clock. 3. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Ensure the sleep space is quiet, dark, and comfortably cool. Use blackout curtains to block out light, and maintain a temperature between 68-72 degrees Fahrenheit, 20-22 degrees Celsius. 4. Swaddle your baby. Swaddling can provide a sense of security for newborns. Use a lightweight, breathable blanket to swaddle your baby, making sure to leave enough room for hip movement. 5. Use white noise. White noise or calming sounds can help drown out background noise and create a soothing environment for your baby. Consider using a white noise machine or a fan. 6. Differentiate day and night. Encourage wakefulness during the day by exposing your baby to natural light and engaging in interactive play. Dim the lights and keep nighttime interactions calm and quiet. 7. Avoid overstimulation before bed. Minimize stimulation before bedtime. Avoid loud play or activities that may excite your baby too close to bedtime. 8. Encourage self-soothing. Allow your baby some time to self-soothe. This doesn't mean letting them cry for extended periods, but giving them a chance to settle down on their own can help develop self-soothing skills. 9. Follow safe sleep guidelines. Always place your baby on their back to sleep. Avoid soft bedding, toys, or loose blankets in the crib. Follow safe sleep guidelines to reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. 10. Pay attention to hunger cues. Ensure your baby is well fed before bedtime to prevent hunger from disrupting their sleep. However, avoid overfeeding, as this can lead to discomfort. 11. Watch for sleep cues. Learn to recognize your baby's sleep cues, such as rubbing eyes, yawning, or becoming less engaged with their surroundings. Put them to sleep as soon as you notice these signs. 12. Be patient and flexible. Newborns have unpredictable sleep patterns, and it's normal for them to wake up during the night. Be patient and flexible, and remember that sleep habits evolve as your baby grows. 13. Consider county sleeping safety guidelines. If you choose to co-sleep, follow safety guidelines to reduce the risk of accidental suffocation or SIDS. 14. Consult with your pediatrician. If you have concerns about your baby's sleep habits or if they consistently have difficulty sleeping, consult with your pediatrician for personalized advice. Remember that every baby is unique, and it may take time to establish a routine that works for both you and your baby. Be attentive to your baby's cues and needs, and don't hesitate to seek support if you have concerns about your baby's sleep habits. We hope this guide provides valuable insights and helps you navigate the early days of parenthood. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Please keep in touch with this channel, and until next time, happy parenting.